Come with me, let me show you how to make this carrot punch. I'm gonna add some sea moss to it, or Irish moss. The lemon or lime juice helps to soften it up and also cut away some of the rawness. So we're gonna put this aside to soak, okay? Coming in with the carrots. If you feel like now waste too much of the carrot, you don't have to do this part. You can just boil yours just like this. All right. I'm done with that part. Now it's time to cut them up. Cinnamon sticks. The carrots are nice and soft, so we're gonna turn the stove off and allow it to cool, okay? It is now cooled. Pour it out, nice and creamy. Look at that. Now I'm gonna add some nutriment. You can add supplement, whatever vanilla shake you wanna add to it. Or you don't have to add it any at all. Add in vanilla. Then I add some condensed milk. This is a lot of liquid, so you're not gonna say that goes sweet. Just make yours how you like it. This is how I like mine, okay? It's alright, it's okay. Sweeten to taste, okay? It's your preference, what you like. Let me go taste it now. Then I add some salt to balance it out. Freshly grated nutmeg. This is where you would put it to chill, but I'm not gonna wait for nothing to chill right now. I'm just gonna go get some ice. Nice and creamy, look at this. As you can see, at dinner time, chicken, rice and peas with avocado and raw veg on the side. And for you, let's hurry up and do this taste test because I'm hungry. Wanna know, usually I'm gonna add some rum and dragon stout to it, but without that, it still tastes good. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and also leave me a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Till the next one. Bye guys.